let's talk about power. Not the kind that needs to be seen, but the kind that moves in silence, makes clear decisions, and doesn't leak energy over things that don't actually matter. Real power is when you start protecting yourself, especially your energy. You don't explain yourself or prove your worth through overworking. You don't run your life on urgency just to feel important. You preserve your energy because you understand it's your currency. At some point you realize being available to everything is the reason nothing is landing. You're stretched thin, you're doing too much, you're saying yes to shit you don't even like. And for what? A dopamine hit? A gold star? Girl, peace is a non-negotiable, at least for me. That's something you get when you hit some goal. You just take it. You live your life in peace. Power means to make space before life forces you to. You create spaces before you're drained, before you're spiraling. You slow down before you forget what you're even building. That is how you flow. Not by vibing your way through chaos, but by getting so clear on what's worth your time that peace becomes your default setting.